In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Hubspot child theme. If you're looking to customize your Hubspot website and want to start with a foundation that you can tweak and personalize, creating a child theme is an excellent method. It allows you to build upon an existing theme, making adjustments without altering the original files. This process not only safeguards the original theme, but also keeps updates a breeze. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Hubspot homepage at hubspot.com. When you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Login button. Clicking this button will prompt you to enter your HubSpot credentials, so make sure you have these handy to quickly gain access to your dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. This is your central hub, providing you easy navigation to your different HubSpot tools and sections. From here, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and locate the content dropdown. Clicking on content is crucial as it opens up a suite of possibilities that will eventually lead you to the design manager where the magic happens. Once you are in the content area, you'll want to look for the design manager option. It might be listed under a section like tools or design, so keep an eye out. Clicking on design manager will navigate you to a new interface specifically dedicated to designing and managing themes, templates, and modules within your HubSpot account. With the design manager open, locate the @HubSpot option. This typically appears in the left-hand sidebar amidst other folders and files representing your available themes and templates. Clicking on @HubSpot will give you access to the themes supplied directly by HubSpot, which are reliable and widely used. From there, you'll see a theme named Growth. Click on it to explore more deeply into this specific theme folder. As you hover over it, consider your customizations and how you'd like them to reflect in the child theme you're about to create. Now here's where you take the next pivotal step. Right-click on the Growth theme to bring up a contextual menu. This right-click is key because it accesses different options tailored for theme management. In the menu that appears, you'll want to select the option Create Child Theme. This selection will initiate the creation of a new theme that inherits all styles and settings from the Growth theme while allowing you to modify any component without touching the base theme. Finally, in the dialog box that pops up, confirm your action by clicking on Create Child Theme. HubSpot will handle the rest, creating a new child theme that you can find in your design manager. It will maintain the core features of the parent theme while giving you free rein to customize as you wish. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a HubSpot child theme, ready for your creative customizations.